Good evening, students. Today we are going to see about fungi. Already we have seen about the bacteria and the importance of virus we have seen. Today we are going to see about one more microorganism. It is called fungi. Fungi, it is also one of the small and tiny microorganisms which we cannot see through our naked eye. Even a special instrument is needed to see this fungi, that is called microscope. And generally if you see this fungi, it will grow on the moist area and even on the dead matters. And this fungi, it is also called as non-green plants. That means a non-green plant means it grow like a plant, it appear like a plant, but it lack chlorophyll. And the body of fungi, it is called as thallus, and the study of fungi, it is called as mycology. And this fungi consists of so many cell organelles, and some fungi are unicellular and some are multicellular. And this fungi, it is classified into two types based on their size. One is microfungi, another one is macrofungi. Micro means small and tiny, macro means little bit bigger in size, which we can see through our naked eye. So microfungi, the best example is Mucor aspergillus. The best example for the macrofungi is mushroom and yeast, which we can see through our naked eye. And one more classification is also there based on their nucleus, that is unicellular fungi, multicellular fungi. Unicellular fungi, best example is we can say it as mushroom. Multicellular, yeast cell we can say. Next, one more classification is there. Based upon their nature, the fungi are broadly classified into three types. One is parasites, saprophytes and symbionts or symbiotes. Parasites are nothing but the fungi which grow on the host plant and they kill the host and they survive. That is called parasites. Usually parasites, they have the nature of harming the host one. Next one is saprophytes. Saprophytes will not disturb any of the living organism, so they grow usually on the dead matters. Symbionate is nothing but like a give and take policy, like a customer and the seller. Once they will give something and they will get from other thing. But here no one is harmed or no one is facing the problem. Can you understand? So that is the nature of the symbionates. Next, if you see, in this fungi, we are going to concentrate about the yeast cell. Yeast, usually they are oval in shape or spherical in shape. The range, if you see, it is about 1 to 5 micrometer in width. And flagella is totally absent, so they are non-motile in nature. Usually the yeast are multicellular in nature. Mycelium. Mycelium is nothing but the body part is called mycelium, which are called as hyphae. And this hyphae is about 5 to 10 micrometer. It consists of cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose or chitin, which give shape and protection to the cell. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is present where it will be looking like a jelly-like substance where all the cell organelles are embedded. The cell organelles like nucleus, Golgi Bodies, Mitochondria, Endoplasmic Reticulum, food vacuoles are present. Food vacuoles are nothing but where they store the food materials. Next one, reproduce. How do they reproduce? By means of sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, even by the vegetative reproduction. Sexual reproduction means by sexual form, that is male and female cell. By asexual reproduction means budding. Budding means, I'll tell you how it will be. Binary fission means one yeast cell will be divided into two equal halves, that is called binary. Bi means two. Binary fission. Fragmentation means broken down. And next one is spore formation, bursting of yeast cell, that is spore formation. So if you see this diagram, this is a general structure of the yeast cell. The outer layer, it is called cell wall, which gives shape and protection to the yeast cell. Second layer is called cell membrane, the same shape and protection it gives. Next one, if you see, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is jelly-like substance where cell organelles are embedded. Next one is nucleus. Nucleus will be present always in the center portion, and formation of next generation. Towards that, if you see endoplasmic reticulum, it is present. It acts like a channel. That is, whatever is needed, whatever is not needed for the nucleus, it will be transported through endoplasmic reticulum. Next one is Golgi Bodies, which helps in the production of enzymes. And next one, if you see mitochondria, this mitochondria helps in the respiration process. And next one, if you see budding, this budding, it is nothing but, as I told you, in the reproduction part, yeast cell will be there where a small protruding or swelling will be formed. Later it will the cell wall and the cell membrane will be detached, and that grow into a separate new yeast cell, that is called budding. And the last one, if you see, the ribosome helps in the protein synthesis. So these are all the importance of fungi as well as the yeast cell and its structure. Next we are going to see about the question part. Explain in detail with a neat diagram about the yeast cell. With the diagram you have to explain it and write in detail about the fungi. General features of fungi you have to explain. Thank you.